Owning a vehicle is one of life's most significant financial decisions. A car provides freedom, convenience, and utility, but it also represents a major expense that can either bolster or erode your financial security, depending on how you approach its purchase and care. A vehicle is not an investment. It is a depreciating asset that loses value over time and incurs operating costs such as loans, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. To navigate this essential aspect of modern life wisely, it is crucial to understand the principles of smart vehicle ownership. This guide delves into the nuances of evaluating your needs, making a purchase, and managing ongoing expenses, empowering you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. The first step in smart vehicle ownership is assessing your needs and aligning them with a realistic budget. Too often buyers are swayed by marketing, status, or the allure of luxury features that may have little relevance to their actual requirements. Begin by identifying how you will use the vehicle. For daily commutes, a fuel-efficient sedan or hybrid may suffice. Families might prioritize SUVs or minivans for space and versatility, while outdoor enthusiasts may need vehicles with all-wheel drive and towing capacity. Once your needs are clear, set a budget that considers not only the purchase price but also associated costs, such as taxes, insurance, maintenance, and fuel. A common guideline is to allocate no more than 15% of your monthly income to vehicle expenses. Financing a vehicle is another critical component that directly impacts your financial health. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in determining the interest rate on your car loan. Before committing to a purchase, review your credit report to ensure it is accurate and understand how your score may influence the total cost of borrowing. A higher credit score can translate into thousands of dollars in savings over the life of a loan. Shop around for financing options, comparing offers from dealerships, banks, credit unions, and online lenders to secure the most favorable terms. Experts recommend making a down payment of at least 20% to reduce your monthly payments and overall interest. If you already own a vehicle, research its trade-in value through platforms like Kelley Blue Book and use this information to negotiate effectively. This approach minimizes financial strain and provides a solid foundation for ownership. When it comes to shopping for a vehicle, knowledge is power. Start by researching models that meet your needs using trusted resources such as Consumer Reports, Edmunds, and manufacturer websites. Pay attention to reliability ratings, safety features, and total cost of ownership, including fuel efficiency and maintenance requirements. Armed with this information, approach dealerships or private sellers with confidence. Negotiation is a key skill in securing the best deal. Be prepared to walk away if the terms do not align with your expectations, and focus on the total price rather than monthly payments, as the latter can obscure long-term costs. Certified pre-owned vehicles are an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers, offering quality and peace of mind at a lower cost than new cars. A critical yet often overlooked aspect of vehicle ownership is maintenance. Regular maintenance is not just a matter of safety, it is a financial imperative. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule ensures that minor issues are addressed before they escalate into costly repairs. Essential tasks include oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and fluid replacements. Documenting these services is equally important, as a well-maintained vehicle commands a higher resale value. Preventive care is far less expensive than major repairs, and adherence to a maintenance schedule can extend the lifespan of your car by several years. Neglecting maintenance, on the other hand, leads to higher operating costs and diminished reliability. Driving habits also play a significant role in managing costs. Adopting fuel-efficient behaviors can save hundreds of dollars annually. Avoid aggressive acceleration and braking, maintain steady speeds, and use cruise control on highways to optimize fuel economy. Properly inflated tires reduce rolling resistance and improve mileage, while planning routes and avoiding traffic minimize unnecessary fuel consumption. Carpooling or ride-sharing is another effective way to cut expenses while reducing wear and tear on your vehicle. Small changes in daily habits can accumulate into substantial savings over time, underscoring the importance of conscientious driving. Insurance is another essential consideration that directly affects the total cost of vehicle ownership. Shopping for insurance annually allows you to compare quotes and identify potential savings. Many insurers offer discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, or installing anti-theft devices. As your vehicle ages, reassess your coverage needs. Comprehensive and collision coverage may no longer be necessary for older cars with lower market values. Additionally, creating a vehicle emergency fund is a prudent step to prepare for unexpected repairs or maintenance. A fund of $500 to $1,000 can prevent financial stress and ensure that your car remains operational without disrupting your budget. It is vital to recognize that a vehicle is not an investment but a tool for transportation. Unlike appreciating assets such as real estate or stocks, cars lose value steadily, with depreciation accounting for the majority of ownership costs. Customizations, luxury features, or aftermarket additions rarely add significant resale value and often appeal only to niche buyers. Moreover, vehicles come with holding costs, including loan payments, insurance premiums, and maintenance expenses, which must be factored into the total cost of ownership. Viewing a car as a functional necessity rather than a financial asset allows you to make decisions that prioritize utility and cost efficiency. Ultimately, smart vehicle ownership requires a comprehensive and strategic approach that encompasses purchase, financing, maintenance, and daily use. By assessing your needs, setting a realistic budget, securing favorable financing, and maintaining your car diligently, you can enjoy the benefits of ownership while minimizing financial strain. Recognizing a vehicle's role as a depreciating asset further reinforces the importance of cost-conscious decision-making. As with any major financial commitment, the key to success lies in preparation and informed choices. Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It is an opportunity to practice financial responsibility and build a foundation for long-term security. Whether you are buying your first vehicle or managing a long-term asset, this guide provides the tools and insights needed to navigate the road ahead with confidence.